Have you ever wondered how bats navigate in the dark? Well, it's all thanks to a remarkable biological sonar system known as echolocation. Imagine being able to see with sound. That's precisely what bats do. So how does this work? Bats emit high-pitched sounds, somewhat like a chirp, into their environment. These sounds then bounce off objects in their path and return to the bat's highly tuned ears. This echo provides the bat with vital information about the object's location, distance, and even what it might be. Is it a juicy bug ready for dinner, or a tree branch to be skillfully avoided? The bat's brain quickly deciphers this echo data, allowing it to navigate swiftly and flawlessly even in complete darkness. But echolocation is far more than just sending out a sound and waiting for the echo. Think of it as a bat's personal supercomputer, continually calculating and adjusting based on incoming data. Depending on the situation, bats can modify the frequency, volume, and timing of their chirps. If they're close to an object, they emit quick, short chirps. And if something is far away, they use longer, lower chirps. Just as a skilled musician plays their instrument, bats have developed specialized features to help them master echolocation. Some bats even have unique structures on their noses to help direct their sound more efficiently, sort of like having a built-in megaphone. And let's not forget about those ears. Bats' ears are like finely tuned antennas, capable of moving and rotating to catch echoes better, much like how we might tilt our heads to hear something more clearly. This fascinating process is like having a supercomputer in their heads, constantly calculating and adjusting. Echolocation isn't just bats' way of seeing in the dark, it's their key to survival, their magic trick, their secret power. It's what makes them the kings and queens of the night sky. And it's just one of the many wonders of the natural world that continues to astonish and inspire us. Echolocation isn't just about making noises and listening, it's a complex system that bats have perfected over millions of years. Picture this. You're a bat, navigating through the inky blackness of night. The way you perceive your world is through a symphony of sound. Each chirp you make is a note in this melody, a self-created sonar map guiding you through the darkness. It's not just random chirping. Oh no, each sound is carefully calibrated. Depending on the situation, bats adjust the frequency, volume, and timing of their chirps. Close to an object, they'll make quick, short chirps. Far away, the chirps are longer and lower. It's a beautiful, intricate dance between the bat and its environment, all played out in the language of sound. But that's not all. Some bats have developed specialized physical features to enhance their echolocation abilities. Take a moment to appreciate the marvel that is the bat's ear. These aren't just ordinary ears. Oh no, these are movable ears. Bats can rotate and move their ears to better catch echoes. It's like having a pair of high-tech antennas on your head, always adjusting to get the best signal. And let's not forget about the nose. Some bats have specialized nose structures that help direct their sound better. Imagine having a built-in megaphone on your face, always ready to amplify your voice exactly where you need it. These adaptations work together, creating an efficient, effective echolocation system. It's a perfect blend of biology and physics, a testament to the power of evolution. But why all this complexity? Why go to such lengths? Well, it's simple. These adaptations make bats some of the most effective nocturnal hunters in nature. They can navigate and hunt in complete darkness, something few other creatures can do. So next time you see a bat, don't just see a creature of the night. See a master of sound. A creature that has harnessed the power of echolocation to an incredible degree. These unique adaptations make bats some of the most effective nocturnal hunters in nature. Bats, as it turns out, have a few tricks up their sleeves when it comes to echolocation. Let's dive right in. Did you know that some bats use echolocation as a form of sabotage? That's right. They use their calls to jam the signals of other bats. Imagine you're trying to have a conversation and someone keeps interrupting you. That's exactly what these bats do. But they're not just being annoying. They're trying to steal another bat's dinner. It's like a high-stakes game of Marco Polo in the dark, where the prize is a juicy insect. Now let's turn up the volume. Bats can chirp as loud as a rock concert. That's roughly 120 decibels. But don't worry, you won't need earplugs around these critters. The frequency of their calls is too high-pitched for human ears to register. It's like they're throwing a wild party, and we're not even privy to the noise. But here's the twist in the tale. Not all bats use echolocation. Take fruit bats, for instance. These bats prefer a plant-based diet, feasting on fruits and nectar. Since their food doesn't really try to escape, they don't need echolocation to hunt. Instead, they rely on their keen eyesight. They're the vegetarians of the bat world, and they've got the vision to prove it. And while we're on the subject of diversity, let's talk speed. The fastest bat can fly up to 99 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah can run. Imagine navigating through the night at that speed, dodging trees, buildings, and other bats. It's no easy task, but with the help of echolocation, these bats can do it with superhero-like agility. These facts just go to show how diverse and fascinating bats truly are. From using sound to steal food to hosting silent rock concerts and even forgoing echolocation altogether, bats have adapted in some truly remarkable ways. Just another testament to the endless wonders of the natural world. Bats and their echolocation abilities have been the subject of many myths and legends. These tales serve as a testament to the remarkable power of echolocation, painting a vivid picture of bats' extraordinary abilities. Let's dive into the first tale. Once upon a time, the bat was a simple creature crawling on the ground. It longed to soar high like the birds, to touch the sky and dance with the stars. But the night was dark, and the bat had no eyes to see. Seeing Bat's desire, Mother Nature in all her wisdom bestowed upon it the gift of echolocation. With this newfound ability, the bat could navigate through the darkness, defying all odds. It no longer needed to crawl, it could fly. From that day forward, the bat became the supreme ruler of the night sky, a testament to the transformative power of echolocation. In another tale, the bat found itself in a fierce competition with the owl. Both claimed to be the best hunter of the night, and a contest was set to settle the dispute. The owl, with its sharp eyes, was a formidable competitor, but the bat had something the owl did not: echolocation. They set out to find the tastiest bugs, and despite the owl's keen sight, the bat emerged victorious. When the owl, in disbelief, asked how the bat managed to outdo it, the bat merely chirped, a sly smile on its face, and said, "It's my secret power." This story underscores the effectiveness of echolocation, a tool so powerful that it outmatches even the sharpest of eyes. These tales, while mythical, convey a deeper truth. They highlight the significance of echolocation in a bat's life. It's not just a skill, it's their secret power, their guiding light in the darkness. It's what allows them to rule the night sky, to hunt efficiently, and to fly fearlessly even in the darkest corners of the world. These tales highlight just how integral echolocation is to a bat's way of life. So next time you hear the chirping of bats, remember it's not just a sound. It's a testament to their extraordinary ability, a tale of evolution, survival, and triumph. Echolocation is truly a marvel of nature, a testament to the adaptability and ingenuity of life on Earth. This extraordinary phenomenon, a blend of magic and science, is a gift endowed upon our nocturnal companions, the bats. This journey into the mesmerizing world of bats has allowed us to learn about their remarkable ability to see in the dark through echolocation. Bats, the enigmatic inhabitants of the night, emit high-frequency sounds, akin to a chirp. These sounds strike objects and are reflected back to the bat. The echo is picked up by the bat's ears and the information is interpreted by its brain. This process aids them in navigating and hunting in pitch darkness. Echolocation is not just a simple process of sound and reception, it's a complex performance of altering the frequency, volume, and timing of chirps based on circumstances. Every chirp is a meticulously engineered message dispatched into the world, awaiting an echo in response. Bats have honed the art of echolocation through their specialized features. Do you recall the bat's ears? As exquisite as the best tools in a prehistoric human's arsenal, these ears can move and rotate to capture echoes better. Furthermore, the unique nose features of bats function like inbuilt loudspeakers, directing the sound with pinpoint accuracy. Our exploration led us into the depths of bat behavior, unveiling strategies some bats employ to jam others' echolocation signals, a cunning tactic to snatch a meal. We discovered that not all bats use echolocation. Fruit bats, for example, depend on their vision. Throughout our exploration of bat myths and folklore, we unearthed stories of and transformation. We discovered how bats, once ground-dwelling creatures, were blessed with the gift of echolocation by Mother Nature. This gift transformed them into the rulers of the nocturnal sky. Our journey into the world of bats and their astounding echolocation ability has been one of revelation and amazement. We have dived deep into the science of this unique ability and the folklore that surrounds it, learning about the mysterious lifestyle of these intriguing animals. So, the next time you see a bat flitting about in the night sky, remember the amazing secret power it possesses: echolocation.